If you're looking for a really simple and easy video conferencing setup, then the TeamConnect bar solutions are the devices for you. With just one cable, you can bring your own device to a room and plug it in. You're then ready to go. At the simplest level, being a USB peripheral device with advanced connectivity means you can plug your TeamConnect bar into your laptop without the need to install any software beforehand. It's as simple as walking into a meeting room with a TeamConnect device plugged into mains power and connecting your laptop to the TC Bar S or TC Bar M via the supplied USB-C cable. All you then need to do is select the chosen TC bar as your audio and video device. Another simple and easy way to use a TeamConnect bar is with a TV, ideal for when more people need to see the screen. In this setup, the TC bar connects to the TV via an HDMI cable. You'll need to download the free Display Link driver software to enable seamless communication between the TV, the TeamConnect bar, and laptop or PC. One thing to remember when using the TeamConnect bars as plug-and-play devices is you must have up-to-date software on your laptop or PC for the bar to function. It's always best to have the latest software to make your TeamConnect bar work as efficiently and effectively as possible. It also allows you to use all the new features we continue to develop.